What up, fish tank people? Top Notch Tanks here, and today I'm going to be entering a contest for NJW1383. Okay, so the grand prize of this contest is $150, and to win, you have to make a video response about what you would do with the $150 to your tank. With the $150 for this 10-gallon right here I just set up, this is my first tank. I'm a beginner of the hobby, and I wanted to make it into a really nice planted tank. So the first thing I would do is upgrade my lighting. I wanted this to be a high-tech tank. All I have on there now is a single full-spectrum T8 bulb, but I really want to upgrade that to a dual T5 fixture so I can grow some highlight plants in here. For plants, all I have in there currently is some Ludwigia, but I also wanted to plant some Rotala indica in the back to hide the heater a little bit. And then I wanted to do dwarf sedge in the front with a couple of crypts. I'm not sure what species of crypt I want yet, but I could really use the money for the plants because plants are really expensive. Pots around my area go for like $5, $6, $7 a piece, so it gets really expensive when you add it all up. For livestock, all I have in there currently is this gourami right here. He is a red male flame dwarf gourami, and I also want to add 7 ember tetras, which are about $2, $3 a piece, and then I wanted to add a trio of Amano shrimp for cleanup, which are $6 a piece, so they do get pretty expensive. And one more thing I wanted for my planted tank was a CO2 system. I was looking at getting a mini pressurized CO2 system, which can range from, $15 to $25, so it does add up. And then with any extra money that I've left, I would put that towards setting up a beta tank for my little sister who really wants one. So thanks for watching, guys. This is Top Notch Tanks, and that's my entry for NJW1383's contest. Thanks for watching.